As a Welsh MP, I have every confidence that the Welsh Labour Government is working towards delivering an excellent strategy around support for victims of domestic violence. I have no doubt the same is true in Scotland. I totally respect the concept of devolution when it works. But with the absence of Stormont, victims in Northern Ireland will only see the progress being made in other parts of the UK as further evidence of where they are falling behind in support services and legislation available to them. We already know that in Northern Ireland they have no coercive control law and no stalking law, and the current controversy over the legality of abortion rumbles on. We need the Secretary of State for Northern Ireland to take firmer action so that we can see a return to devolved government. The good people of Northern Ireland deserve the same rights as everyone else in the UK, and currently they are not getting this. They are not protected by a devolved government because of Stormont's suspension. Even in today's Northern Ireland question, we have been calling for the return of devolved institutions. We believe that support and services for victims of domestic violence in Northern Ireland are best made in Northern Ireland. But after 2 years of no government, the situation is stagnant. The people of Northern Ireland are suffering the effects of this political hiatus, none more so than the victims of domestic violence, as their voices reverberate in an echo chamber. I know that no MP in this place would believe the politics and strategies that support our constituents should not be afforded to the people of Northern Ireland. And one of the most notable issues is that of abortion. Human rights issues are not devolved to the Northern Ireland Executive, and as such, issues around women's productive health are the responsibility of this Home Secretary and other relevant ministers. Decisions on the provision of public services, legislation and support for the Northern Ireland need to be reached urgently. And if there is no likelihood of Stormont reconvening very shortly, then this government needs to take responsibility to protect and support the domestic abuse victims of Northern Ireland.